say. Got some good news and some bad news. The good news is I just finished 37 of them. The bad news says that because all you people showed up, it threw my system off and I got to do it again. It's unbelievable. I'm embarrassed. That's what Carrie said. She says, you get them so many times, now they got you. How you feeling?
Good, Carrie.
Thank you. I don't know what to say. This church is something else, I'll tell you. And the people in it.
Amen to that.
Yeah.
Let's get one more line.